answer, you can draw a horseshoe.
Yeah, we're going to draw a lucky horseshoe. We hope you're going to follow along because art is always better with
Friends.
Yeah, friends like you. And also family like you. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers, but you can use whatever you have. And then at the end, we're going to color our horseshoes with crayons. We're also using marker paper. You ready to start?
Yeah.
What letter does a horseshoe look like?
A U.
A U, a letter U. We're going to start by drawing a letter U in the middle of our paper. And we're going to draw, watch me, we're going to draw the top kind of close to each other. It looks like it's coming together at the top. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. Good job. Then we're going to draw a line that comes out on the left and also on the right. So it can come out. Yes. And then the same on the other side. And then we're going to draw a short line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to draw a little line that comes in. Just a little one. Then we're going to draw a big letter U that starts here, comes down, and goes around and connects to the other side. We're going to come around like this, and back up, and I didn't quite connect, so I'm going to connect it. There we go. Now let's add a funny face to our horseshoe. I'm going to draw another letter U for the smile. Oh, that's a really small letter U. I like how small your smile is. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle here. And a circle over here to match.
Do them close.
You're going to draw the eyes closed? Oh, those are upside down U's. Whoa, that's awesome. I like that I like that you changed it. And yours looks extra happy because the eyes are closed. I'm going to color in the eyes, but leave a little highlight to make them look shiny. And then we could add details to our horseshoe. I'm going to add 3 more circles on each side. And then we're going to draw 3 on this side. We did it. We finished drawing our lucky horseshoe, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, and this part will be super easy. We're just going to color it yellow or gold. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
We finished coloring our lucky horseshoe. Let's add extra lucky things like a shamrock.
Yeah.
Okay, we got our green crayon. Now let's draw a heart right over here. And then we can even color it in. That's the first leaf for our shamrock. Then we're going to draw a heart sideways. And so if it's easy, you can turn your paper sideways so that you can draw the heart this way. And if you can draw it sideways without turning your paper, that's even cooler. Look at you, you're tricky. And then I'm going to turn my paper the other way. And then color it in. And then you can draw a stem coming down. I'm going to repeat that step for another shamrock over here. You could even add 4 leaves if you want a 4-leaf clover. That's even luckier, I think. There we go. And a line down. Well, I might add another one right here. Olivia, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our horseshoe, our lucky horseshoe.
Yeah.
I especially love your 4-leaf, well, the 3-leaf shamrocks, especially that one. That one's really big.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Thanks. Now you guys can add even more things to your drawings. You could even add more lucky horseshoes or...
And a leprechaun.
Oh, that would be really cool. Oh, and also a rainbow.
Yes.
Where the gold is.
We have fun drawing a lucky horseshoe.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Hey, parents, teachers, and librarians. I'm super excited to share something awesome with you. We've put together our very first book filled with fun drawing lessons for you and your creative kids. From cute pets to mythical creatures, it's got everything to spark your creativity. And the coolest part, you can pre-order today. I also want to give a huge shout out to our amazing publisher, DK Books. Thank you, DK Books, for making this dream a reality. We can't wait to see the amazing art you'll create with the help of our book. So click the link in the description and pre-order your copy today. Your support means the world to us. Keep drawing, keep creating, and always remember the most important thing is to have fun and practice. We'll see you later, art friends.